Before you start, create an account in SNCF Connect using your email and password. Choose your destination. Type Cannes in the arrival field. Select your departure point. Type Nice in the departure field. Add a second traveler if you need. Click on the Add Passenger icon. Set passenger details, select the age, 20 years old, and save. Pick your departure time. For this tutorial, we will select the 10 a.m. train. Review the price. Total is 18 euros or 9.40 per person. Confirm your selection. Select the journey and press confirm. Enter traveler information. Fill in the name, surname and birth date of the second passenger. Select payment method. Choose between credit card or Apple Pay. Accept and pay. Agree at the terms and click Pay with Apple Pay. Check your tickets. Your digital tickets will appear in the app immediately after payment.